And they're off. Early lead is taken by About to Be and Escolta. Moving up on the outside, Ian's Melody. Ian's Melody, and moving up on the inside is Escolta. In between horses, About to Be. The mid-back stretch is Escolta in the lead, followed by Ian's Melody. Security Check. About to Be, and moving up on the inside is Honor Rush. Nearing the far turn, it's still Escolta in the lead. Security Check, Honor Rush, About to Be, and Ian's Melody on the outside. Rounding the far turn, it is still the favorite Escolta leading the field by 2.5 lengths, followed by Security Check on the outside, and About to Be now moving up on the outside to take second. Honor Rush moving up on the inside. And now the last bend for home, it's Escolta by the rail, About to Be on the outside, Security Check, and Honor Rush, Buku Juice, and Ian's Melody. And into the home stretch and nearing the payoff line, it is still Escolta in the lead, followed by About to Be on the outside in second. And finally at the payoff line, it's Escolta, About to Be, Buku Juice, Honor Rush, Reward for Effort, Ian's Melody, Security Check.
Okay.